Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to explain about pointer to the structure. As we know already what is a structure. Structure is used to store more than one value of different data types, like a record type information, like employee details, account details, customer details, product details, student details, like a set of elements or set of values of different data types. If you want to store, you can go with the structure. How can we specify? Normally we represent, I'm writing one structure, struct employee, taking employee ID. Next one, employee name is a string, so character array we are taking, that size is a 20. Next one is employee salary is a decimal, is a float type we are taking. Float. This is the structure we are creating. Next one, execution starts from the main. Here in the main, I just want to declare one structure variable, struct employee E. Whenever you are declaring the variable, memory will be allocated and we are directly assigning the values. We know this process. Here, employee ID, employee name and employee salary we have written like this. In the same order, you need to specify the values directly. Employee ID, employee name and employee salary. All these three get memory allocation in three different locations. Stores. Here it is no indexing concept, is represented by ID. This block is represented by name and this block is represented by salary. Suppose E is pointing to this one by holding the address. Now, normally, how can we access? When here it is, if you want to display or if you want to read or if you want to print, we use dot operator. Printf, %d, comma, %s, comma, %f. So one is for ID, name and salary. How can we specify? E.id, comma, E.name, comma, E.salary. Like this we are specifying. All the three values are printing. If you want to access structure information, we use dot operator. But just like the normal variable, now we are creating the pointer variable, struct emp star. This is the way. So normally, if it is an integer variable, what is a pointer variable? This one is a pointer variable. In the same way, struct emp is a normal variable and this one is a pointer variable p, storing the address of E. Whenever you are storing the address of E, then P is also start pointing to this location. But the only difference is what? How to access. %d, %s, %f. Accessing here E, not E is a normal variable. Pointer variable is P. Use arrow operator. P, arrow operator. P, arrow operator. When a normal variable is pointing to the structure, we use dot operator. But when a pointer variable pointing to the structure, we use arrow operator. Okay, sir, why you are assigning the value directly to pointer variable? It's a waste of the memory we are accessing. Already data is there, variable is there, we are accessing now. Normally, we never use assignment like this. We use dynamic memory allocation concept, malloc function we use. That we will discuss in the continuous series of these videos. In dynamic memory allocation, clearly I'll explain. But as of now, how can you make a pointer pointing to the structure? This is the simple way of making a pointer pointing to the structure. But only point, remember. If ordinary variable, if you want to access through variable, dot operator we are using. But if you want to access through pointer, we use arrow operator. This is the concept we use everywhere in data structures and algorithms concept. Those things we will upload very soon. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.